I started very early in COTMAC. The day I turned 18,
Oh, you were
I
there.
joined as a sales guy in the company. So half day was college and half day was working in COTMAC. So COTMAC is a very old brand and it stands for Cotton and Machinery. So as a family business, it's 127 years old.
Oh, wow.
The business was started by my great-great-grandfather in 1896 as a cotton trading company. We have a total team strength of about 1,200 employees that work with us. We have members from 9 different nationalities that are working today in COTMAC. We have a 23% female workforce that works in the company, and we are a great place to work certified company. For me, working in an office needs to be a beautiful experience. It should be a space we should love to go to. There should be something that differentiates us as a office, as a company, when we compare with other members in the industry.
So, hello and welcome to this podcast. Today I have Arjun Sirur of COTMAC Industries with me, and we are going to have a chit chat with him, get to know about his background, COTMAC Industries, and what is the future like. So, thank you, Arjun, for agreeing for this.
Yeah, thank you for having me. Yeah.
Lovely. So, let's start with some background. Tell us, where did you have your education? What was childhood like? Where were you?
So I was born in Hubli, a small town in Karnataka, in a business family, in a joint family. I did my initial years of schooling at Hubli, and later as the business in Pune was expanding, my father decided to move all of us to Pune. So I moved around a few schools here.
When was that? Which year?
The early 1980s was when we moved, maybe 1985 when we moved to Pune. And I moved a few schools in Pune till I finally settled down at Bajaj School,
Okay.
where I did my high school. And then I did 1 year of high school in the US because I got selected on a Rotary International Youth Exchange program. So I graduated high school in the US, where I did my 12th grade.
Okay.
Later, I pursued a bachelor's degree in commerce at Symbiosis College. And then I did a post-graduation in international business from Symbiosis Institute of Foreign Trade. And all this was when I was also working in COTMAC. I started very early in COTMAC. The day I turned 18,
Oh, you were
I
there.
joined as a sales guy in the company. So half day was college and half day was working in COTMAC.
So, what was that the mandate from the family?
No, I was very keen to get into the family business.
Hmm.
So I was keen to start working from a young age.
Oh, lovely. Tell us some history about COTMAC. When did COTMAC start?
So COTMAC is a very old brand and it stands for Cotton and Machinery. So as a family business, it's 127 years old.
Oh, wow.
The business was started by my great-great-grandfather in 1896 as a cotton trading company, started at Hubli in Karnataka. And those days, cotton trading, cotton spinning, cotton ginning were the businesses. In the 1940s, my grandfather started migrating slowly out of the cotton business and more into engineering products. And that's how COTMAC was born. And in 1955, one of our existing cotton trading businesses, Sirur Agencies, was renamed to sound more modern, and the name COTMAC and the COTMAC brand was formed. And over the years, we added industrial automation. In 1992, COTMAC Electronics was formed. Today, COTMAC is a diversified group, many branches across India, all over the world, many manufacturing facilities.
Tell us a little bit more about the products and services.
Yeah.
And then let's talk about the globalization.
So our main business at COTMAC is system integration. We are into control panel manufacturing. We are into process automation, factory automation. We are also into industrial trading. System integration is today the largest business in the group. We also build control panels for PLC, for MCC, PCC, IMCC type of applications. And we automate many process plants as well as offer solutions in factory automation today.
And I saw on your website that you have quite a global footprint today,
Yes.
clients all over.
Mhm.
So tell us, how did that globalization happen and where all you are today?
Today, our biggest presence is in the United States. We have our control panel manufacturing plant as well as US headquarters in Michigan. We have a team of about 50 members that work with us in Michigan. We also have our own overseas presence in Bangladesh, which we started a few years ago. We have our wholly owned subsidiaries in Dubai and Singapore, and very soon we are going to expand into Indonesia. We are present in 5 countries as of today.
Very nice. So that means a global workforce as well, right?
Yes, we
So
have.
tell us about your team here and abroad.
So we have a total team strength of about 1,200 employees that work with us. We have members from 9 different nationalities that are working today in COTMAC. We have a 23% female workforce that works in the company, and we are a great place to work certified company.
Lovely. What is the future? How do you see the future happening now since the AI is coming in? Does that affect your industry at all?
It may impact us positively. I see personally a very bright future where people will want to deploy more and more industrial IoT as well as digitalizations and AI as well as deep learning solutions on their shop floors as well as in workplaces. So that gives us a lot of opportunities for COTMAC to deploy automation solutions in places like airports, in steel plants, in mines, in data centers, where people will want to deploy more and more digitalization solutions.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you a question slightly away from the industry now. I see a lot of art around us in your office. You have it here, you have it, some sculptures and some traditional pieces.
Yes.
So tell us your relationship with that.
For me, working in an office needs to be a beautiful experience. It should be a space we should love to go to, and there should be something that differentiates us as a office, as a company, when we compare with other members in the industry. For me, we spend a lot of our life in the office. Maybe 1/3 of our life is spent in an office. So it's very important the space that we work in is charged with positive energy and be a creative workspace, because that will help us deliver more and more creative solutions to our clients. And so it has been a continuous effort that all our workspaces be as beautiful as possible, as creative as possible, and a space where employees look forward to coming to work. We have made a consistent effort to bring in greenery, to bring in art, to bring in sculptures and cultural elements within the workspace that would help us be more creative in our solutions and also be a visually attractive workspace to come to work in.
So I see that, being a system integrator, at times you need problem solving abilities which are not normal, which is beyond normal. So you need creative solutions, you need good looking solutions. Would you be employing industrial designers and people who actually impact your output, not just the office space?
So a lot of designers work here, but most of their design work is related to electrical design and designing the solution that we are offering to our clients. In terms of look and feel, it is always an effort to make our control panels look visually better and have a great workmanship when you open the panel. So it is always an effort that from an industrial look and feel perspective, it look good, it look functional and look glamorous at the same time.
Yeah, lovely. So I definitely see that any company which does take care of the art, crafts, traditions, definitely has a innovative DNA, creativity DNA. I think all you need to do is get some designers in your offices and in your products, and this should work. I'm done with my questions, unless you have something to.
So that's
tell us
why
about.
in our office we have had more than 8 different artists that have executed various art installations within the company. This is one of the arts on display. We have had sculptures that we
I saw a very large mural, wall mural in your office on the backside.
Yeah.
Tell us about that. That's very interesting.
So we wanted to have an art installation that depicts a bit of what we do here at COTMAC, and at the same time address the uh, challenges that we as a society will be addressing in the future, and we wanted to explore how our solutions can mitigate those challenges related to the environment, related to sustainability. And so we had engaged with a creative artist who understood what solutions we offer, and he worked on a creative wall art that would address the challenges and the solutions from COTMAC side. So we had him on one side of the art. He showed the forests and the ecology. Then he showed how cities are getting smarter, smart cities, how factories are getting smarter, smart factories, and how coexistence is possible. How smart cities and smart factories can coexist along with forests and the environment without hurting each other, without being in conflict with each other.
Very interesting. I think it makes the place also very beautiful.
Yeah.
Even if people don't understand so much messaging into it, it just looks very nice and very grand. So thank you, Arjun.
Thank you.
And thank you again. We'll meet again.
Sure. Thank you.